Good morning to all. In before class, we just discussed that was perpendicular distance from point to the line. Now, today we are going to discuss what is the distance between two parallel lines. See, if ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0 are two parallel lines. How you say that these two are parallel lines? Because their x coefficients and y coefficients are equal. So such type of lines always represent the parallel lines. Means this is the two parallel lines. What are the parallel lines is given that was this is the first line ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, and this is the second line ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Now, what is the formula for distance between these two lines? From distance from the C2 line. Now, distance between these two lines is modulus of difference of their coefficients C1 minus C2 by root over their x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square, a square plus b square. So suppose if any two parallel lines are given, that means suppose this is the parallel lines, any two parallel lines are given means the parallel lines distance between, what is the formula? Difference of their y x constants by root over their x coefficient plus square of x coefficient plus square of y coefficients. That means distance between two parallel lines is modulus of c1 minus c2 by root over a1 square plus a square plus b square. Okay, how it is coming means it is just coming from the previous formula. If you take any point from distance and this distance are equal, automatically both can be cancelled and finally you can get it. No need of the proof. According to this one, you just go to the discussing one problem. See, if asking find the distance between find the distance between 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 6x plus 8y plus 7 is equal to 0. I need to find the distance between these two lines. Okay, clearly you just see that in these equations, what is the equations are given? 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 is a one line is given, and another line is 6x plus 8y plus 7 is equal to 0 is the another line. Clearly you just observe here a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, and b1 by b2 is equal to 4 by 8, that is also 1 by 2. So ratio of x coefficient is equal to ratio of y coefficient. So automatically these two lines are the parallel lines. These two lines are the parallel lines. Now you need to apply this formula. But here remember one thing, this formula can be applicable when x coefficient and y coefficient must be equals. X coefficient and y coefficient must be equal. In this problem, here x coefficient is 3, here x coefficient is 6. You must be make them equal. If they both are, you must be equal. For that purpose, I need to multiply this equation with 2. Then what you get in 6x plus 8y plus 10 is equal to 0, and next line is 6x plus 8y plus 7 is equal to 0. Just clearly observe in these two lines now x coefficient are equal. So what is the formula for distance is equal to? Distance is equal to modulus of c1 minus c2 by root over a square plus b square. That is equal to modulus of 10 minus 7 by root over 6 square plus 8 square. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3 by root over 64 plus 36 is equal to 10. So this is the distance between two parallel lines. Before you going to find the distance between the parallel lines, you just observe that was the x coefficient and y coefficient of the both lines must be equal. Then only you can be applicable of this formula. Otherwise, you can't be applicable this formula. So, in the given question, what is that? Clearly these two are the parallel lines because the ratios are equal. See, here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to both are 1 by 2. So, clearly you know that was these two lines are the parallel lines. So, parallel lines means you cannot be applicable the formula directly. Directly you can't be applicable. Vice or means we are writing this formula for the parallel lines whose ax plus by, x coefficients are equal, y coefficients are equal, only constant terms are various, different. For that purpose only, I need to convert this equation into multiply by 2 into 6x plus 8y plus is equal to 0. So then automatically this is equal, these two only various. It is the C1, it is the C2, and the value equal value is a comma b. You using this formula. So this is the formula for using to distance between two parallel lines. Any two parallel lines distance formula you can be applicable in this formula only. Take a screenshot. Okay. Now you are going to discuss the topic of family of straight lines. Family of straight lines. You just observe. Here the two lines are there. I just said that was these two lines are intersecting, any two lines are intersecting at one point. From this intersection point, how many lines you can draw that was? We can draw the infinite number of lines which is passes through this point. From this point, you can draw the infinite number of lines like this. Suppose like this is infinite number of lines you can be drawn from intersection of these 2 points. The equation of combined equation of these all lines is called the family of straight lines. So what is the general equation of the family of straight line means? If you consider it is the first line L1 is equal to 0 and it is the second line L2 is equal to 0. Then the equation what is that means? L1 plus lambda into L2 is equal to 0. L1 plus lambda into L2 is equal to 0. L1 plus lambda into L2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a lines, family of straight lines, where lambda is any scalar. Means you can take in the values of the lambdas, you can get in the different number of lines. That means if you take that lambda is equal to 1, one line will be coming. Lambda is equal to 2, another line. Lambda is equal to 3, another line. Or lambda is equal to minus 1, one line. Lambda is equal to minus 2, one line. Or lambda is equal to 5 by 2 is another line. So like that, infinite number of lines will be coming using of this formula. That means the equation of a lines which is passing through the intersection of L1 and L2 is equal to L1 plus L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. That means what is that? The equation of lines, equation of lines the equation of lines which passes through the intersection of passes through the intersection of the lines L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 is L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. So these are called the concurrent lines. So these called the what is that? Family of straight lines. This is called the family of straight lines. Not only straight lines, you can go for the any surface. Here what happened? It is a two-dimensional geometry. You can take in the surface. That means plane geometry. So straight line can. If you consider it as a three space geometry, then planes will be coming, plane form, everything also. Or circles, you can take that. The circles which is passing through the intersection of the two circles is equal to C1 plus lambda C2. There you will be right. Lines, the which is passing through the intersection of the these two lines is L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. Right now. Okay. Now you are going to discuss a problem which is related to this concept. See, run the question. We will choose the color. It's like yellow. Run. Find the equation of a C. Find the equation. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line passing through the point of intersection of lines x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and perpendicular to the line 5x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. What is the question is that? Find the equation of a line which is passing through the intersection of these two lines and perpendicular to the line 5x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the question is given. Okay. That means what is that? This is the two lines. Here you just go to the draw the figure of this question. Diagram is there. What is the diagram? These two lines are given. Okay. The line is passing through this intersection of these 2 points. That means this is point. Intersection of these 2 points. And it is perpendicular to the another line. What is the line? This is the first line is x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is another line x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the two lines are given. And it is perpendicular to the line. What are the line is? 5x plus 2y 5x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. 5x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. Just now you are going to discuss in the class. What is that? You are going to solution means given lines L1 is equal to, what is the formula? First line is x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Just now you discussed in the class, what is the equation of a line? Equation of line passing through the equation of a line passing through intersection of L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 is L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. And before you discuss the formula, that means the equation of a line which is passing through the intersection of these two lines L1 and L2 is equal to L1 plus lambda L2. Write down like that means what happened is x plus 3y plus 2 plus lambda into x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Write down the x coefficient, what is that? 1 plus lambda into x plus 3 minus 2 lambda into y plus 2 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line. Since this line is 2 times enter perpendicular to the line, what is that? 5x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. And before only said that was any two lines are perpendicular means what is the condition for perpendicular condition? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equal to 0. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equal to 0. So therefore what is the formula that was? C implies A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equal to 0. A1 means what is that? This is the A1, it is the B1 and it is the C1 and it is A2, it is B2 and it is C2. A1 into A2 means 1 plus lambda into 5 plus 3 minus 2 lambda into 2 is equal to 0. So 5 plus 5 lambda plus 6 minus 6 lambda is equal to 0. So it is 11 minus lambda is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 11. Lambda is equal to 11. So you need to go to substitution the lambda value in here. You can get the equation. Otherwise, this is that. So therefore, required equation is 1 plus 11 into x plus 3 minus 2 into 11 into y plus 2 minus 4 into 11 is equal to 0. That is 12x 22 minus 0 minus 19y 44 minus 2 means minus 42 is equal to 0. This is the way to find the equation. What you did, you just observe, generally asking the question, try to understanding the question carefully and then going for the problem. What are the question is given? Find the equation of a line which is passing through the point of intersection of the two lines x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and perpendicular to this line. So first of all, given lines are two lines are given. What is that? L1 is equal to x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. L2 is equal to x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now the equation of a line passing through the intersection of the two lines is L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. So x plus 3y plus 2 plus lambda into x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now I am taking the coefficient of x in the two terms. First coefficient x is 1. In second coefficient x is equal to lambda. So 1 plus lambda into x. Similarly 3 minus 2 lambda into y plus 2 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. Now the given condition is this line is perpendicular to the line 5x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. So if two lines are perpendicular, the condition is what is that? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equal to 0. Using of that condition, I find the value of lambda. Finally, I substituted it and I get the answer. So this question you can be done the another one method is also by finding the intersection point. Solve these two lines, find the intersection point. Now this is the line given, perpendicular line right down. Just go to the first formula. Where you did the mistake, just go carefully. Perpendicular to the line, no? This is the first page, x minus 2y minus 4, 1 plus lambda into x, 3 minus 2 lambda into y, that's good, 2 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equal to 0. So 1 plus lambda into 5, 3 minus 2 lambda into 2 is equal to 0. 5 plus 5 lambda, 6 minus 4 lambda. Here the mistake is there. You just observe carefully. Oh shit. So it is become a mistake. 6 minus 4 lambda. 5 lambda means it is plus lambda is equal to minus lambda. So it is a minus 1. See, I am why I am doing 3 2s are 6. Oh, shit. 3 minus 2 lambda into 2. 6 minus 4 lambda. 5 lambda means plus lambda. lambda is equal to minus 4 means 1 minus lambda into x plus 3 minus 2 into minus 11 into y plus 2 minus 4 into minus 11 is equal to 0. That is minus 10x. It is 22 means plus 25y. Next, it is what is the value is 44 plus 2 means 46 is equal to 0. Write in the order 10x minus 25y minus 46 is equal to 0. This is the line. Okay. Okay. Over. Now you are going to be discussing the final concept of the straight line. Final concept of the straight line. What is that? Angular bisector. Angular bisector. This is the final concept. Is that? See, now I draw these two lines like this is. So between these two lines, you have to find four angles. This is the first angle. At the same time, this is the second angle. Again, it is a one of the angle, and this is the another one angle, same angle. So what this angle is? This angle is same, and this angle is this angle is same. Now, if this angle is 60, the line which can be divided this into equally in directions means, see, if I divide right on the line like this is. Now I am going to write the line which is equally divided the angle. Means for that, suppose it is 60 means it is divided into 30, 30. This angle is 60 means automatically this angle is 120. So it is another line which can be divided into the angle of 60. Yes or no? What that understanding you can clearly see. This is the two lines. Suppose it is a 60 degrees, then this is automatically 120 degrees because it is a straight line. If this line is divided into 30, 30 equally, this is 30, 30 means automatically this line is equal to the 60, 60. So these two lines, what are the lines which can be divide the angle between these two lines? Always perpendicular to each other. Always perpendicular to each other. That means, if, see here what I am going to discuss in the problem concept means, if L1 is equal to 0 is a one line and L2 is and 0 is the another line. So the lines which can be divide the angle between these two lines are called the angular bisectors. The lines which divided the angle between these two lines are called the angular bisectors. Means here see that if the angle is 60, it can be divided into 30, 30. If one angle is 60 means in the parallel lines this another angle is 180, 120. So it can be divided into 60, 60. So this is 30, this is 60. So totally this angle is 60. So compulsory these two are perpendicular. So that means the lines which are coming to the perpendicular bisector always perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Now we are going to discussing what is the formula for this line equation. If you take any point on this line, you can draw the perpendicular to this line and this line. Both are have the same line. Both are have the same length. That means the equations of angular bisectors of the lines of the lines L1 is equal to A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0 is, what is the formula means, I just said that was perpendicular distance from, what is the perpendicular distance from this one, A1x plus B1y plus C1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square. This is the perpendicular distance from point to the first line. This is equal to the distance from the second line, means A2x plus B2y plus C2 by root over A2 square plus B2 square. If both sides of the perpendiculars are there, it can be cancelled in one side. It can be gives the plus or minus. That means A1x plus B1y plus C1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square is equal to plus or minus A2x plus B2y plus C2 by